I told my developer friend that I can build his $10,000 web application in just 30 minutes with only text prompts. At first, he laughed until he saw the result. So in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use Bolt app to build any web application with only text prompts. If you come to this site called as bolt.new, here you can see the interface. It is somewhat similar to lovable.dev, which I showed in my previous video. If you want to see that video, you can see here. Now you can see the UI is actually good. All you need to do is sign up here, and if we come to the pricing plan, you can see they have 4 plans. We will go with the free plan today, and it is more than enough for the tutorial. So come back here, you just need to paste a prompt. So today we will be building a AI trend detector that shows the best AI tool of the day, week and the month with a proper filter tab. Now the best thing here is you can click on this enhance prompt button and you can enhance your prompt, so it will do the magic. And the best thing is you can import your Figma file and the GitHub repository if you have any, and you can also share some of the links if you have for the reference. Now as you can see, it has fully modified my prompt into the detailed version, which is quite good, and I'm happy with that. Now the prompt is enhanced, and now let's build it. So hit the go button and let's see the magic. Okay, so we have finally the output here. So as you can see, it has created a very nice look, I can say. It has a search bar, it has a dark mode and light mode. I like the dark mode better. We have the filter based on the daily, weekly and monthly filter, and the data changes accordingly. So you can click on, I think so, visit tool, and it takes you to the site. Very good, very good. Now basically I like the output, and if let's go and search from here, let's go with the GPT. Let's see it works or not. Maybe it won't work because like we need to attach the database here. So the best part is if you go to the integration, you can add a payment method, add a database or any repository of your GitHub. So we have the super base, so there is no tension of attaching the database. Now the only thing remaining is we need to host this. And one more thing is that if you want any sort of reference, you can go with the any reference and you can just provide it. It will build the app accordingly. But to be honest, I'm happy with the output. Okay, I have searched for GPT and I can see the result. Very good. Now the best thing is you can see the code here. What the heck he has done here, I don't know, but I like the output. And we can go from here and hit publish, but we can see the responsiveness of the site as well. So it is fully responsible, and if I go here and like make it responsive and drag it, it is fully responsible. Okay, from here we need to go and hit publish, and again you need to wait for some time because it is slow as hell. So let's wait and see the output. Okay, the site has been launched. If I copy the link from here and we paste it here, you can see the app here. Turn to the dark mode, and from here it is fully responsive. If we go to the inspect mode, you can see how responsive it is. You can see that. And with this, we come to the end for this tutorial. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.